In this video, we're going to look into a quick comparison between Windsurf versus Copilot. So, Windsurf actually is a newer AI-powered coding environment or assistant. Like it has features like multi-file refactor, autonomous write mode, and AI floats. It's basically designed to help with larger scale changes, more autonomy, and context awareness. Whereas GitHub Copilot here, actually it's a coding assistant from GitHub or Microsoft. It gives autocomplete style suggestions like whole line or block completions, IDs, and editor integrations. It's more matured and well integrated into common dev workflows. The key difference is that the integration and editors, for example, with Copilot, it's very broad. Okay, it uses VS Code, JetBrains IDE, and everything. Like it has deep integration, especially with GitHub repos. Whereas Windsurf is also supports many IDEs. It has strong editor agnostic plugins, and there is more options around customizing workflows across files. So if your projects are medium or a large code database with lots of interdependent files, and you either maintain legacy code or do frequent refactors, then Windsurf here might give you more leverage. And if you're okay with managing credit usage and occasional rough edges, then Windsurf will be an ideal choice for you. You can use Windsurf compared to Copilot. But if your but if your priority is stability, speed, and low friction, and you mostly write new features rather than changing the old ones, then Copilot will be like a much better and safer option for you in this case. I hope this information and video was helpful.